Okay, hi guys. So let's look at this question IJC paper 2 question 4. This is one of question who posted by my student as well. So be sure to download this questions, view this question on the website before you start. So basically now the question states that relative to the origin O, the position vector of 2 points A and B are actually A and B, and the A is a unit vector which is perpendicular to A plus 3B. The angle between A and B is 2 pi over 3. This is actually a special angle. This you have to pick it up. Special angle. This is this is 120 degrees, right? So it's a special angle. Okay, so having an overview of this question, first thing you have to pick up is always understand the term unit vector. A is a unit vector. Okay, B is not given as a unit vector, and also given that A is perpendicular A plus 3B. So before you can start, write this down, because A, since A is a unit vector, so basically modulus of A is equals to 1. Okay, this you can write it down first. This is basically it, the first thing you should be able to write down. Then since A is perpendicular to A plus 3B, so you're implying that A dot A plus 3B is actually equals to 0. Is that right? A dot A plus 3B equals to 0. So this is the first thing you should be able to deduce. Now, question 1 say that show that modulus B is 2/3. So what we're gonna do is basically start off with this first, right? Start off with this. So if we were to use the distributive law, we will get A dot A plus 3A dot B, right? So this case, A dot A, you must know A dot A is actually mod A square. Mod A square. So this can be sub as mod A square, and because 3A dot B is actually given by the formula, it's a dot product, so it's mod A mod B cos 2/3 pi equals to 0. Okay, so this over here, let me get my, this over here is actually substituted by this, and this over here is actually substituted by this. Okay, this is a given property that you need to revise. Alright, so from here you know that mod A is actually equals to 1, so you sub A in, you get 1 plus 3B, and cos 2/3 pi, if you're looking calculator, cos 2/3 pi is actually negative half, right? I believe it's negative half, so it's negative half over here equals to 0. Okay, so from here we get negative 3/3, so negative 3.5, 3 over 2 mod B equals to 1, so B is equals to 2/3. Okay, shown. It's the first step. Okay, this is the first part. Alright, now the second part, okay, by expanding, it's the first part. Second part, by expanding this expression, you're asked to find the exact value of mod B minus 2A. So mod B minus 2A is actually given by square root B minus 2A dot B minus 2A, right? This is another given formula. Just remember that if you want to find it's something like your, let's say, modulus 2 minus 3 2I minus 3j. Okay, if ever want to find this, I will just get 2 square plus negative 3 square, right? So you add all the square, you square and square, or rather let's say 2I, this is actually 2 square, right? So it's something like that. Okay, so you just remember it like that. So from here what we're going to do is, from here we're just going to expand it. Alright, so you're expanding it, you get b dot b, just normal expansion, 4a dot b plus 4a dot a. So using this similar formula, you know that b dot b is actually mod b square minus 4 mod a mod b cos 2 third pi plus 4 mod a square. Right, so cut long short, you just sub all the values in, you get 2 third square minus 4, 1 is 2 third, cos 2 third pi is actually minus half plus 4. Okay, all in all you get 52 over 9, which is actually this is 4 times 13, so I can simplify it as square root 13 units. Okay, just leave it at that. Okay, this is your second part, the question, the answer for the second part. Alright, is it alright? Now let's look at the third part. The point P divides AB in the ratio of this. Find the area of triangle AOP. So third part, I think, okay, I'll just do it behind the paper. So let's look at the third part. Third part would be basically you have A, you have B, okay, you split it to P, this is lambda and 1 minus lambda is given. Alright, so it starts from O, so this is your ratio theorem. Okay, label them, label all the parts that you need. Okay, you need to find this area over here, right? You're asked to find this area over here. Find the area of triangle AOAP. So OAP is over here, right? Now label this is A, this is B, and this is P. By using the ratio theorem, by ratio theorem, we know that actually P is given by this multiplied with this A 1 minus lambda multiply cross is something like a cross multiplication plus B lambda over the sum of the ratio, right? So when you sum it, you get P equals to A 1 minus lambda plus B lambda. Alright, find P. You want to find P in terms of A and B. So we have found it. Now that you want to find the area of triangle AOP is actually given by half A cross P. Okay, this is where you're going to expand it out. So for here, A cross P, slowly substitute this in, you will get half. Okay, A cross A minus lambda plus B lambda. Okay, now using distributive law, okay, this is a constant, so the constant can bring basically this constant A cross A plus lambda. The constant can be moved among it, is fine. It's just that you must be sure that A cross B is not equals to B cross A. This is something you need to take note of for cross product. I'll make a video lecture on this, but okay, we just continue from here. So lambda, this is A cross B. Alright, is that right? Now A cross A, because they are parallel, obviously, so this will give us 0. Okay, this over here will give us 0. Sine 0 is 0, so this is 0, so this whole thing will give us 0. Right, so what is left is this over here, which means this will give us half A lambda A B sine 2 third pi. Okay, 2 third pi is special angle, so sub this is 1, this is also 2 third, right? 2 third, so pi This is 1, this is 2 third. Sine 2 third pi will be given by root 3 over 2. Cancel. You get root 3 over 6 lambda units square. Alright, so this is your answer for part 3. So please do leave some, if you have any questions or comments, please just ask me. Yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Alright, and tell your friends about this video that they could actually post any question, and I will try my best to actually answer them all. Thank you very much, and goodbye.